back to Easy English Daily. You've made it. It's day 5 of our 5-day English speaking challenge. And today, it's all about one thing: speaking English without fear. Yes, you heard me right. If you've been following the challenge, then you've already done the hard part. You started. Now let's finish strong. Most people don't speak English not because they don't know it, but because they're afraid of making mistakes. Repeat after me. It's okay to make mistakes. I learn from them. Speaking is the key to confidence. I believe in myself. I can speak English. Amazing! Let's now practice how to speak English in real-life situations, with confidence. Real-life conversations. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Let's practice a small, confident conversation. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is Pratiksha. Nice to meet you. I'm learning English and I love practicing it every day. That's interesting. I'm currently a student. See? That was simple, but powerful. The more you speak, the better you become. Here are some tips to stay fluent forever. Before we wrap up this challenge, here are 3 powerful habits you should continue. Listen to English every day, songs, podcasts, or YouTube videos, like this one. Speak at least 5 minutes daily, to yourself, with a friend, or while recording. Learn 3 new words each day and use them in your sentences. Alright, let's finish with a powerful affirmation. Say it loudly and believe it. Repeat after me. I am confident. I can speak English. Every day, I am improving. This is just the beginning. You've officially completed the 5-day English speaking challenge. I am so proud of you. But remember, this is not the end. It's the beginning of your new English speaking journey. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and remember, you are unstoppable. Watch day 1 if you missed it, and don't forget to check out our daily practice videos. See you tomorrow on Easy English Daily. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for next videos. Stay tuned.